Sairam children, I hope you all are good at your home and you did well in your internal assessment. In the same way, you will study and keep preparing for your essay 1. So children, you have to do study continuously, okay? Because you are good children and you did well in your internal assessment, same way you are going to do good in your essay 1. So children, today in maths we are going to continue our previous chapter 6, fun with give and take. Children, till page number 88 we have done. Today we are going to start with our page number 89. So children, let's start with our chapter. Okay. Nisha and Sonu were making story problem. Nisha said 13 boys and 14 girls. Means what you are doing your word problems, you can also make here. Story problems were there and two children were making story. According to that, they are making word problems. What we are doing in maths, subtraction, addition, what we are doing, that is a story problems or word problems. According to that, we can do it. So here Nisha and Sonu were making story problem. In that, Nisha said 13 boys and 14 girls in a class. Sonu, can you make a problem on it? So what Sonu did? Sonu did, there are 13 boys and 14 girls in a class. How many students are there altogether? Children, altogether means I told you previous also in give and take, altogether means you have to do addition. Okay, like for example, in your class 15 boys and 16 girls. So how many students are there in your class all together? What we can do children, we can add this, okay? So what will come? It will come 31. In the same way they are doing, they have made one word problem. Here 13 boys are there and 14 girls. So children, what you will do, you will add and total all together are there, that is 27. Okay children, now come to next point. You can also make a story problem. You can also make a story problem with your friends. Look at each picture and the words next to all. Write your problem. Like children, we can also make, in the same way you can also make. For example, you are having 3 mangoes, okay, 3 mangoes and 4 bananas. So how many all together fruits you are having? That is 7. Okay. In the same way, they are telling 36 men and 52 women waiting for their turn. So children, what you are going to do, you will write in first box 36 and 52 and you will add this. So what will come? That is 88. Understood? Now children, come to next page. Page number 90. We have our midday meal in 20 minutes and play for 15 minutes. So total time what we are getting together in a day, that is like you are doing your midday meal in 20 minutes and for playing you are having 15 minutes. So all together time you are getting for midday meal and play, that is your 35. Understood? Now come to next. The post office is 1 kilometer from Shahid home and 2 kilometer from his school. So in this, post office is 1 kilometer from Shahid home and 2 kilometer from his school. So what post office they are talking about? So if we are talking about together how many kilometer, it is 3 kilometer, but they are talking about post office is 1 kilometer, okay, from Shahid home, and 2 kilometer from his school. 2 kilometer from his school. So what was the distance between that? That is 2 minus 1, 1 kilometer. That is the difference between both the things. That is 1 kilometer. It is more. His school is more 1 kilometer according to post office. Now next, Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. So children, all together how many books they have read? You can do 27 plus 34, that is 61. 61 all together they have read. Total books they have read, that is 61. Now come to page number 91. Count to subtract. In this we have to count to subtract. Dolma bought 4 dozen bananas and gave one to each of her friend. 13 bananas were left. 4 dozen means in 1 dozen. I hope you all know how many bananas are there. That is 12 bananas in 1 dozen. So 12 into 4 when we are going to do, that is your 48. Now they have given 13 bananas total to their friends. How many friends got a banana? So children, 13 bananas were left, okay, and they have given 1 banana to each, means 48 minus 13, that is 35. They have given 35 bananas to each friend, means 35 friends were there and each friend got 1 banana. So 13 bananas were remaining. So 35 friends got. So now we are going to do in together also and in a means if we are doing subtracting or adding all together and in a short way or in a long procedure, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 5, that is 35 total, or we can do 48 minus 13, that is 35. Now come to next A part. 56 minus 37, what will come? That is 19. Now 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is 19, and 56 minus 37, that is 19. So in the way when we are doing together in a short way and when we are doing in a expanded form, this is your expanded form when we are adding one by one and then subtracting, and this is your short form, we are subtracting directly. Now come to B part. 60 minus 45, that is, you all know what you can do. You can do 60 minus 45, that is 15. But in a expanded form, how we are doing? 5 plus 10, that is 15, and 60 minus 45 is 15. So means if we are doing in expanded form, that is also we are getting correct answer, and if we are doing in a directly subtracting, we are doing subtracting directly, then also it will be a same procedure, same answer you are getting. C and D I will send in a photo by photo to the group. Okay, now these are your short forms. Okay, directly they are cutting, and this is your expanded form and with the short form. Understood? Now come to next page, that is page number 92. Page number 92. All the king's horses. Once there was a king who could count only up to 9. there was a king. Now this is a king, and he counted from his side only 9 horses. If you are counting from his side, if you are counting from here, if you are counting from here, or if you are counting from here, we can count only 9 horses. So what number can you count? Now how you can count with the all together? The king loved horses, but he could never count all of them. He kept them to such a way that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. From each side they can count only 9 horses. So what we can do? We can do with the total, like multiplication we are doing for the all sides, like 3. Okay, 3 sides are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides are there. If we are getting together of all the sides, if we are seeing, like from this side king is counting 9, okay, but 1, 2 and 3 sides were remaining. 3 sides were remaining. So what we can do for these 3 sides? We can do 3 into 9, that is 27. Means rest of the side it is 27 more horses, okay, and these are 9 they have read previous. So what you are going to do? You are going to write here 3 in the box, in the middle box, and from each side if we are counting, that will come 9, and 3 into 9, here you will write 27. Here you will write 27. Now come to next page. One day a visitor with 4 horses came there. Now 4 horses came there. Now it was getting dark. He wanted to stay there at night, but the horse keeper was scared. If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. Now here they have visitor was there, and their 4 horses came in the dark. Okay, it was getting dark, but they wanted to stay there at night. Okay, so but the horse keeper was scared. If the king saw these extra horses, who take care of horses, that is horse keeper. So if king saw extra horses, he would be very angry. Now he would be very angry for that. The visitor said, "Do not worry." Visitor said, "Do not worry. The king will never know." So he arranged the horses like this. Now previous it was 3, 3, 3 all sides, means 9, 9 all sides. But now they are arranging like this. 4 horses came, 1, 1 on each side. It will increase. Like what they have done, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, and plus 1 here. And sides 1, 1. Understood? So it is same 5, 6. In this way, what they have done, 9 it is coming, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 all the sides. What they have done, they have take the side multiplication to that, so that they can count it there. Like it was previous 27, okay, but here it is they have taken 3 on each corner. So what they have did, if 2 9s are, if we are taking this corner, that is 2 9s are 18, and 18 plus 12 is there previous, that is 18 plus 12, that is 8, 9, 10 and 3, that is 30. Total number of horses we are getting, that is 30. Okay, like if we are doing with this 2, we have written in the middle of the box. So it will come 2 9s are 18, and rest what they are doing, 6 were there, so 2 6 are 12. Okay, with the same means 2 9s are 18, they are doing 2 into 9, that is 18, and 2 6 are 12. So what middle there we have written only 1. If we are doing together, that will increase one number from other side, because from the king side it is only 9 we have to count it. So it is 30. So here the answer will come 30. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to next. At the night, the king came to count the horses. Along each side he counted 9 horses. Now king came. Now again he came and counted the horses. But from one side he count now 9. In the same way they have arranged. If we will count from all the sides, that will come 9 only. Understood? So that's fine, he said. Then he happily went to sleep. When he counted, it came 9, and then he went happily to sleep. Now come to next page. Remaining part is on next page. In the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. Now he tried another trick. He took out his own 4 horses. Now he has taken out his phone or horses there. Okay. Now he took what 4 horses he has added to that. Now what he did? Again he did like that, so that it will be total will come same. But king didn't know that when we are adding and when we are subtracting. Okay. But he also ran away with some of the king horses. Now he ran away with the king horses also. What he did, if we are watching, he left the king horses standing in the way. In the way he stand, that it will come same calculation. Okay, like 4 and 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is coming here. But what he did, 4 was previous and 5 in the middle. He has taken his horses also and the king horses also. But in the same way, he did like this, that the calculation will come 9 again. Okay. So, how many horses now left? Now, how many horses left? Can you calculate? Yes. Now, only 4 horses left. Only 4 horses left, because on one side it is 3 and 9 and that is 27. So here they have left, what they have left, that is 4. In the middle it will come 4. If we are calculating with 1, that will come only 4. 4 ones are 4. How many of the king horses were taken away? How many? He has taken 4 horses more with his horses. Now, what numbers are we? Means what numbers are we? This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle. So, in this, what numbers are we? If you add as both, you get 100. Means if we are going to add some number in a number, so what we are getting? We get 100. What we can do? 100 plus 0 is equals to 100. Okay. The difference between us is also 100. Now difference, when they are talking about addition, means they are doing 100 plus 0. 0 is equals to 100. Same it will become. And 100 minus 0, same it will become, because 0 doesn't affect and 1 also doesn't affect. So we have to minus and plus, we have to give and we have to take, but the answer should be same. For this, according to this, your book chapter is completed. This you all have to do in your book only. Understood? Now come to your workbook. Now come to first part, first question. I will explain you one part. Rest of the part with solution I will send you the photo. You have to do in your book only. Understood? Like 6 minus 2, it is there 7 plus 4, subtract we have to do, but they have subtracted already, so here they are. And so children, workbook part we will do in our next video, and I will send you PDF file. In that all the solution is there. You will look from there and you will complete your maths workbook chapter 6, fun with give and take. Till then you complete your book exercise and book work properly. So children, thank you and bye.